Hello there, welcome to this Affisend tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to go through how to get started with Affisend. So the first thing is to register. On the landing page of Affisend, you can just click on try Affisend for free and get started now. Alright, this is the registration form for Affisend. So I'm going to fill in my details to register on Affisend. So get started. Alright, the next step is to confirm the email you used for registration. You'll be sent an email from Affisend. If you did not receive it in your inbox, you can check your spam folder. I've verified my account and I'm to log in again. Alright, so I received this message. Your account is currently under review and access may be limited during this process. You will receive a mail once the decision has been finalized. Please do not create another account. So apparently my account is under review on Affisend. So I will need to wait until I receive a mail that I have been approved. So I have been approved by Affisend, and the next step for me is to select a plan. In this case, I'm going to select the free plan. Then fill in my billing information, save it, then select my payment method and click on get started. Alright, so I'm in and we can start building our campaigns, automations, and our lists. So the next step after we have registered and selected the plan successfully is to verify our sending domain and our sending identity. The reason why you need to verify this is for deliverability's sake. You need to verify this so that your emails will be delivered to the recipient. Alright, the first thing I'm going to verify is the domain. So we click on the new sending domain. And the new sending domain, I have my website. We create a website. Alright, this is how you're going to put it. Save. And you have 2 test records that you need to add to your DNS records. So you have the host name here, you have the value, so we are going to add this one after the other. So let's copy the host name. We'll go into our DNS provider. For example, my own DNS provider is Namecheap, and I use the Namecheap with cPanel hosting. So So, 'This is me logged into my DNS provider. So, I'm going to copy this name cPanel. I'm going to go to the zone editor. For those with different providers, I'm going to drop the documentation where you will see how to update the DNS record for various providers. So I'm going to manage my records. Wait for it to load. So let me check out the text record that I have. Alright, you click on the add record, change the type to text. And in this value zone name, what we copied is going to be pasted. Go back and copy the value, and we paste it in the test section. I will save the record. We have successfully added that. Then for the second record, we'll copy again, we'll repeat the same process. Add record, have text, paste it, and for the text, you copy without the quotes. Copy without the quotes, copy it, and paste it. Save record. Okay, now that we have successfully added the two records, we'll come here and click on verify now. Okay, the first test record has been verified, so we wait for the second record to be verified. Okay, so the two records have been verified. So we now have a verified domain. We'll go back to the domain section. I'm going to see that it has been activated. Yes, it's now active. The verification has been passed. The DKI verification has been passed. Alright, so the next thing is to go to the email addresses. Now, if you have verified your domain, this is not compulsory. This is not compulsory, but I would like to just verify for the tutorial sake. So you have the sender, create, and I have I at recreate.website. Okay, save. So I'll be sent an activation email that I'll need to verify my sending email address to know if I'm the owner. I've verified my sending identity. You can see the status has changed to verified. So now I have my sending identity and my sending domain verified. I'm now able to send